So I found this job online. I applied for it, and turns out like one of my friends works there, so he encouraged me to seek to work on this opportunity. So I applied. I prepared my a portfolio that is more leaning to mobile UI designs. I also prepared more designs that are web responsive, and then this is how I got their interest. Later on, I got the interview, and in the interview, they asked me a lot of user-centered questions. So, what do you think the user, for example, what do you think the user would like to see here in this screen? Some questions about how would you think you would improve this user experience. And I didn't have much experience back then, but I thought about the answers I gave, and they were interesting to improve and optimize the project. So this is what made them interested in hiring me. I think, first of all, it pays more. As far as I know, it pays more in the design field, in the market that I work in. And also there's a lot of need, which makes job offers abundant. And you would feel you have the attention in the market, and this is very beneficial. You would feel relaxed in what you're doing, and you would love what you're doing. I would say do more research and focus on a topic or on the skills that would be more relevant to what you love. So user experience is a very wide field that anyone can get into. So you would say someone would work more on their animation or illustration skills, and they would be focused on designing icons, buttons, and components. Some other people are more focused on the whole experience. They would be more focused on how to design user flows, information architecture, and some other people might be more interested into UX writing.